Help everyone rest better at night with these ideas to stop snoring. Perhaps friends or family have told you that you sound like you are sawing logs when you sleep because your snoring is so loud. You no doubt realize what a tremendous impact snoring has on your life and on the life of your sleeping partner. This video will give you some practical ideas for getting the problem under control. Many snorers have found varying levels of relief by purchasing one of the many snore prevention products on the market. There are sprays to moisten the throat and nasal passages which can be effective in some cases. There are also nasal strips which pull the nasal passages open for a better airflow. Though it may seem uncomfortable at first, try sleeping in a semi-upright position by utilizing multiple pillows. Nasal drainage will not obstruct your nose or throat and go down to your lungs right away. This will help stop snoring. Sleep more upright. Elevating your upper body can relieve both gravity and pressure, allowing you to get a full night's rest without snoring. Use pillows or put some bricks under the headboard. Even just a slight elevation can stop you from snoring, so try it out and see what height works best for you. Unstop your nose to quit snoring. Snoring can be an embarrassing problem. It can relate to a number of factors, not the least of which is nasal congestion. One way to address snoring is to talk to your doctor about decongestants. These medications can be a very effective remedy not just for the embarrassment of snoring but also for the underlying condition. Before watching this video, you may have felt at your wit's end with your snoring problem. Now you can see that there are actually many different steps you can take to reduce the effects this condition has on you and your partner. Go ahead and try out some of these tips, and see what a difference they can make in your quality of sleep. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.